Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi all. This video is about how to legally build upon what's already working, by letting AI do most of the heavy lifting. The tool I'm using is called MagicLight. It's an online AI video creation platform that lets you turn text into engaging videos ranging anywhere from 3 to 30 minutes. And the best part? It's super affordable, under $8 a month for the standard version. Here's a snapshot of a video MagicLight created for me, based on a trending video with over 11 million views. And get this, MagicLight did all the work. So, here's how it works. Go to MagicLight, you can sign up for free. The free trial lets you create about 3 short videos, roughly a minute each. Just enough to blow your mind and convince you it's worth upgrading. Once you're in, click on Story to Video. From there, you'll have a few options. Let MagicLight write and build the video for you, Smart Script. Use your script, Basic Script. Or, this is my favorite, have MagicLight generate a video based on a trending video that's already proven itself. On the right-hand side, you'll see categories like trending, kids, animals, even Bible-based videos. If something catches your eye, just hit Run Script and let the software take it from there. Of course, you can tweak things and make edits, but honestly, you may not even need to. In my opinion, MagicLight is perfect for children's videos. It's fast, fun, and gets results. Want to see just how easy it is to turn trends into your creative videos? Give MagicLight a try today. You will find a link in the description, and start building smarter, not harder. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick start guides and tools that make your life easier. See you next time.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.